YouTube channel, As Seen by Cherie. Today I will be doing my first turkeyless Thanksgiving vegan style. What I have here are my ingredients that I'll be using: onion powder, garlic powder, Mr. or Mrs. Dash, adobo. I got some liquid smokes that I found. Excited about those. Also got my noodles, got my rice, got my vegetable stock here, and then I got some Jiffy vegetarian style. I got my nutritional yeast seasoning, canola oil, rice vinegar. I got my flaxseed meal for my egg replacement, and I have my distilled white vinegar. I'm getting ready to get started. I have my collard greens already cut, washed, and they're sitting here. Okay, I'm gonna get started with my collard greens. So I just turned it on high. Now I'm going to four cups of vegetable broth. Have my greens here. Put them in there. And I'm using vegetable stock instead of water. And it's okay if it covers up the pot because they will cook down. And the rest I'm going to freeze. And I'm going to do 1 cup of canola oil. Put that on top. Okay, now I'm going to get my liquid smokes. These can be found at Walmart, so a couple dabs of that. Smelling good already. And then I found this one, which is more of a hickory taste to it. Okay, I'm good on that. Next, I'm gonna do a little rice vinegar. I'm gonna do 1/4 cup of rice vinegar. So next I'm gonna add my garlic powder. So I'm gonna do a tablespoon of garlic powder. and a tablespoon of onion powder. All right. So about a tablespoon of cebolla. Put a little dry rub in there, probably about a tablespoon. This will give it a kick. Stir it up a little bit. It's gonna cook down similar to like spinach. Definitely taste it to see if it's to your liking. If not, you know what to do. And let it simmer. This is about the consistency that you want your greens to be. So it may look like this.